This 2010 BMW 6 Series is brought to you by Auto Gallery, Chicago. Sport Package, Premium Sound Package, Cold Weather Package, Comfort Access, Heads-Up Display, Navigation System, Rear Parking Sensors, Front Parking Sensors, 4.8 L V8 engine, 6 speeds, Sport Automatic Transmission, Keyless and Tri-Keyless Start, Xenon Headlights, Fog Lamps, Power Tilt Sunroof, Cruise Control, Adjustable Steering Wheel, Power Automatic Windows, Power Door Locks, Black Exterior, Black Interior. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have, or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery, Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2010 650i Sport Coupe is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery, Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.